Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture. I am going to log into my wireless modem. I'm using wireless modem, Verizon wireless modem. In here what I'm going to do is we are going to do the proxy server, or is a proxy server is also a kind of firewall as well. It is almost MAC filtering and this stuff. Let's see how we can accomplish that goal in here as well. If you see at 1, 2, 3, 4, once I get here, when you look at in here, active, I have a one active client. This is my phone, and I have another active client which is my computer. All right, so we need to come to uh, parental control. Once we come to parental control, what we're gonna do is, if you look at in here, I have a one host. This is my phone. I would say you're not allowed to access my internet. This is option number one. So when you get here, then you have to come to network computer slash devices. So devices doesn't matter whether it's a smartphone or anything, but so far I'm blocking my smartphone first, and then I will pick the website. I say ABC. I don't want if someone search for ABC should block, and meanwhile let's say ABCD. I would say ABCD I don't want, so you can add as much as website that you want to block. You can block here as well. Here's a place where you can block the word as well. For example, if one of your kids saying some searching for some word, searching for some file, for example, anything, or we can say GAN or some or any kind of drags. If you want to put in here, then they may not able to search. I mean, even though if they access the internet, they may not able to access it. So so far I have blocked two websites. If any of my client who using the same wireless modem, the same wireless modem, if they type www.abc.com, abcd.com, they're not able to access. And meanwhile, if they want to type bad word, then it will definitely eliminate by the wireless modem firewall. And then I will say that this rule should be applied on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Let's name this rule to Elias Tech. I want to say that Elias Tech rule. Apply, apply. All right. If you look at in here, we have a one rule by the name of Elias Tech, and so far one device is blocked. This is my smartphone, and the smartphone is blocked in my we can say wireless modem. So if I try to access internet, I may not able to access because I have blocked it in here. If we come to the main, I need you guys attention in here. So I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. If you look at here, now this is inactive. Reality check. Reality check. This one is inactive. Beside that, my phone is connected to the internet. I mean, beside that, my phone is connected to the same wireless modem, but it's inactive means I'm not able to go anywhere. It is blocked by wireless modem.